Some careers look slow from the outside, fewer promotions, less visibility, no constant announcements. And yet, those careers often end up with more control, more leverage, and more freedom. This isn't luck, it's structure. We are trying to associate speed with success, fast promotions, rapid growth, quick wins. But speed is only impressive when direction is correct. Otherwise, it just gets you lost faster. Fast careers often rely on visibility, not depth. They scale attention before competence, exposure before leverage, that works until complexity increases. And complexity always arrives. Slow careers usually prioritize depth over display. Skills before signals, judgment before recognition. This creates an invisible asset, decisions quality under pressure. When progress is slow and deliberate, something important happens. You accumulate options. You are not locked into one role, one identity, or one path. You can move sideways, not just up. Quiet professionals don't burn bright and fade. They regulate effort. They pace ambition. That consistency allows compounding, not burnt out driven resets. Mid-career is where the difference becomes obvious. Fast movers hit ceilings, slow builders start accelerating. Because leverage finally overtakes raw effort. Slow progress feels dangerous early on. No applause. No reassurance. But that discomfort is the cost of independence, not failure. Success isn't about how fast you move. It's about when you peak. Late peaking careers often dominate precisely because they won't rush. Quiet professionals don't need to hurry to be relevant. They let competence mature before exposure. That creates calm authority, not fragile momentum. If your career feels slow, understated, or invisible right now, it may be doing exactly what it needs to. Speed impresses early. Depth wins later, and later is where freedom lives.